Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to work on this small portulacaria afra lilliput, and if you don't know, the lilliput is just another variety of the portulacaria afra that has really tiny leaves on it. So you can see, I'll put my finger here, how small the leaves are. Some of them will get a little bit bigger, but still a lot smaller than a normal variety. Last time I worked on this, I think I just gave it a prune, but it's grown quite a bit. It's been sitting outside in the sun and it's putting on quite a bit of growth. So I just want to come in and prune it up and kind of see where we're at. So I've got this little tag in here just to designate the front. I had these rocks in here to keep it from leaning. Feels pretty stable, so I don't know that I'll need those now. Let's see. Just trying to look at this branch over here. It's kind of growing down part of it. Might have to re-bend that. Maybe put another piece of wire on that back branch, but we'll see. So let's just kind of get started. And the shape of this one, it's kind of a kind of an experimental. When it was really young, I took it and I kind of gave it a corkscrew turn. So it's, if you can see it better from the back, how it's just kind of bent and then kind of twisted around and on up. So that's kind of what's going on with it. And it looks like this top part maybe is flattened out a little bit just because of the weight. I don't like that horizontal look to it. We'll see. May have to just rewire it and rebend it. Let's go ahead and get it pruned up a little bit here. Just looking at the profile to see where I want to take this tree. I need to put this rock back in here because I think my intention was to keep it a little more upright that way. Yeah, this back branch is causing me problems. I'll just cut it shorter for now. The top's getting nice and thick. Can really see where the branches are in there. two branches right here together. I don't know that I need both of those. I'm going to get rid of this one. See if I can bend this up a little bit. Might have to do some wiring to get this branch up here and then this back branch to lift it up. It's almost growing down too far. Maybe I'll take some of this length back. Maybe raise that branch up a little bit and then bend it. There we go. Much better. That is what I did. I just lifted it up because it's already had the wire on it, and as I was lifting, I twisted it a little bit to bring that back branch up. Looks better. I'll get this one growing down, which I'll get rid of. I don't like that. I think I might just, instead of messing with wire, we'll get rid of that. And just let this part up here continue to grow out. Yeah, that helps it. And then I probably will put this rock back in here just to push it back a little bit more. I think that's kind of the style that I'm going for. I'm not sure I like this branch in the front though, because I've got the trunk that comes to the front and then this branch comes straight out. Thinking I might get rid of that. Yep. Yeah, it opens that up and that way you can see the trunk a lot more. Bend that up a little bit more. It still looks good. It's not a finished product by any means, but it's getting better. That's the way I like looking at the trees. Each time I touch it, you know, do a little maintenance on it, just one step closer. But yeah, I think this is good. I like the green there, back branch there. This was fixed because it was hanging down in here. Now that all that's open, this is open here. Need to get a lot more bulk back in the back, but it'll get there. When I repot it, I'll straighten it up and kind of get it how I want. But I think maybe clean some of this stuff up in here so you can see that branch. Yeah, there you go. I think that'll work. Nice quick session today, just giving this guy a little maintenance prune. So let's give you a quick spin around just so you can see it. So there's the front, there's the left side, there's the back, the right side, and back to the front. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.